Dora the Explorer. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren Tierra. I look a hot mess right now, but if you are new, thanks so much for watching, and if you're an OG, thanks so much for coming back, girl. You know we back again with another vlog. Okay, let me stop tripping because I'm headed to my hair appointment right now. It's 8:30 something. My appointment's at 9. And I have a hair appointment because we're taking senior pictures today. So it's rainy, so hopefully my hair does not poof like a poodle. It's looking a hot mess right now. But I'm going to get my hair cut. If I don't like it, I'm going to put my clip-ins in because I don't got the time to be looking a fool on my senior pictures. Okay, so I'm headed here now. I feel like I need some coffee because I don't even drink coffee, but I feel like I need it right now because I'm tired. So but yeah, I'll take y'all in here with me while I get my hair washed and cut. And what else was I gonna say? Oh, let me tell you the deal about these senior pictures. Okay, these folks didn't tell us we had senior pictures until last week, so we had to scramble for hair appointments, for makeup. Well, I do my own makeup, but makeup appointments, like, you don't tell nobody a week in advance, at least not black girls. No offense or no racist, nothing like that. Like, you can't tell nobody a week in advance that they got senior pictures. Like, people have to get ready for that. Like, I don't even got my lashes done. Like, my lashes are done, but they're not like how I would want them for senior pictures. That's why I'm taking my own pictures anyway, so it really don't even matter. But and I need to be finding a photographer, which I have one in mind who did my senior pictures when I graduated from Bama. He may do them, but I don't know if I want to try somebody else or not. But I'm rambling. I'll see y'all when I get to the hair salon.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Oh my, all the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time.
Hey y'all, so I got my hair done. Headed to class now. It's so cute, y'all. I did my makeup really fast because like I said, I have senior pictures today. So this is what I'm looking like. Babiana look like Dora the Explorer. But yeah, so I'm just headed to class. Running late because he didn't finish with my hair until like 12:30, and I had to eat, do my makeup, and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm glad we don't have to like wear an outfit because I really would have been late. Probably would have missed class. But yeah, I'm headed there now. I got all my stuff to touch up. So yeah, I'm so in love with my hair. Like, this is my hair. Like, do you see that? It's so cute. This part right here looks a little thin because when I had those butterfly locks, a chunk of my hair cut off right here, so it looks a little thin on that side. But she cute. But yeah, let me drive and I'll hit y'all. You know, when you get your hair done, you know, you got body, you just want to talk with your head, like, yeah, and what was said. But yeah, let me stop being stupid. Bye. Y'all know it's not cute when your bob blow in the wind. That ain't cute. Look at it. That motherfucker got body though. I pray this picture come out cute. Cause I'm gonna be mad. I should have laid me some baby hair, but nah. I wanted to look sophisticated. Sophistication. Okay, let me stop being stupid. I'm walking in class. I'll see y'all when I take my pictures.
If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was dissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone, probably curse you out and unplug her phone. But she'd be glad, oh yeah, if she was gone, then she wouldn't have to worry. No, if your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you, if your girl could only see.
Hey guys. So I probably can't see me right there. Hey y'all. I'm back home. I need somewhere to put this. You'll be able to see me right there. Anyway, I'm back home after class. Let me give y'all the full. I need somewhere to put this. Let me give y'all the full of the hair. Can y'all see? It's so cute. So y'all know the horror story. If you watched my vlog a little while back, the horror story of the haircut that I got. So this whole time I've been trying to grow my hair, which I cut from like here. I had this much hair, but it was all like straggly ends because of the way she cut my hair. So I've been trying to grow it until I could get it to a even length, because I want all my hair to be the same length. So yeah, I'm like in love. I'm obsessed with this bob. Like, I can't believe like this is my actual hair. Like, it looks so full, so chunky. Like, it's so cute. Like, this is the best my natural hair has ever looked. So cute. I also use those Tress World growth serum drops, and they really grow my hair like super fast. Anywho, I'm just about to fix me a turkey burger. So Cooper is down there eating. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see him right there. He's down there eating. But the pictures, that's another story for another day. No, I really don't like them just because they're dark, and I feel like the setup was not black girl friendly. I feel like they should do a better job at having a setup that complements all skin tones. And I know that's hard to do, but I mean, everybody's not one color. I just feel like even my friend Kiana, she didn't like her pictures either. She said the same thing, like they're dark, like they're so dark. And you know, I understand. Why does this look like this? I don't need cheese anyway.
I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one really is a screenshot.
I forgot to check in. Today I had a study session with some girls from my class. So we have a test next Tuesday. So what, 5 days? Yeah, 4 days. So we were just studying some of the material for the test or whatever. else did I do today? I did pretty much nothing. I did that and came home and I ate lunch and then I'm chilling still. I just finished watching Ready to Love. I don't know if y'all know that show. It's on the new season just came out. I need to be doing homework, but I'll do some of it tomorrow. I'm kind of almost already burned out like on school, so it's like don't feel like doing homework, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So yeah, let me come in. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey, Coop. Ain't nobody out there. Okay.
You float, boy, you really get me high. Ooh, feel like going low, 'cause you serve me on a similar regular. I want you to.
You know what they smell like?
What?
The Little Baby All In Wrap Snacks.
Oh, see, I didn't like those. Y'all liked them. I didn't. What they taste like?
The same.
Like the
A little bit sweeter.
If you were here now, I would.
What's up, guys? Checking in from doing homework. I had ordered two things from Fashion Nova because I'm going to brunch and out with my friend from school for her birthday, and I needed something to wear really fast. I just ordered this Saturday, and it's Tuesday, and I did standard shipping, so it came. So I got this shirt. I'm gonna wear it with some type of pants. I haven't decided yet. And this dress. I don't know if I like this. I have to try it on and see, but I don't know if I like this. It's a little cheap. I'll have to try it on. But yeah. What's up, y'all? I'm looking crazy. I have class in an hour and a half, but I just finished making me a fajita bowl. Ooh, girl. She hot and ready. I already tasted the chicken. The chicken's good. I did cilantro rice, black beans, corn, and some pepper. So let's see how it's gonna turn. Sour cream. So yeah, I'm just about to eat this before class and clean up the kitchen, take a shower, and then I'm out. I got not a lot of time, so see y'all later. Okay, I am about to get in the shower and then pack this order, this hair order that I have to pack. I am running late, so yeah, y'all will be watching me pack the order like right now. So
Send you to me. I'm just hoping I don't repeat history. On Sunday, the nigga la la.
I just came on here because I didn't end the vlog. So I'm about to go get my lashes done and get ready for the weekend, and then but I'll vlog that. It's just gonna be in a separate vlog. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow your girl on the Instagram, Lauren Ware. And